forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to solve question based on invertible function and composition of two functions. That is first question. Let f is a function from x to y be an invertible function. Show that f is unique inverse. So let us consider. Let g1 and g2 be two inverse of f. First, g1 is inverse of f. Then g1 operation f x equal to x. This is identity function. And f(o) g1 y is equal to y. For every x belong to x and for every y belong to y. And if g2 is inverse of f, then g2 of x equal to x and f(o) g2 y equal to y, where x belong to x and y belong to y. Now f(o) g1 y equal to y and f(o) g2 y equal to y. Therefore both are equal. So f(o) g1 y is equal to f(o) g2 y, implies f g1 y is equal to f g2 y by composition of two functions. Since f is invertible function, it means f is both 1 1 and 1 2. Or we know definition of 1 1. fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. So next step we can write g1 y is equal to g2 y, or give reason since f is 1 1. g1 y equal to g2 y, therefore f is unique inverse. Next problem, question number 2. Let f is a function from x to y be an invertible function. Show that inverse of f inverse is f. That is f inverse whole inverse equal to f. Since f is an invertible function, therefore by definition image of x under f equal to y implies pre-image of y is equal to x. Give question number 1. Now since we know if f is invertible function, then f inverse also invertible function. Since f is invertible function, therefore f inverse is also invertible function. Therefore image of y under f inverse equal to x, then pre-image means f inverse inverse x equal to y. Again by definition, give equation number 2. Equation fx equal to y, or here f inverse inverse x equal to y. Therefore f inverse x is equal to fx. Hence 2. Next problem 3. If f is a function from real number to real number be given by fx equal to this, then find f of x. F of x is equal to, using composition of two functions, f fx. Now substitute value of fx. Fx equal to this 3 minus x cube raised to the power 1 by 3. Next step, let us consider this quantity as y, where y is equal to 3 minus x cube all raised to the power 1 upon 3. Now substitute value of fy. Fx equal to this, then fy equal to 3 minus y cube whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Next step, 3 minus y cube, this is y, then y cube equal to 3 minus x cube. Open the bracket, 3 minus 3 plus x cube whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. 3 और 3 cancel. अब now cube root of x cube, x. So f of x is equal to x. Next problem. Consider f is a function from r plus to this given by fx equal to this. Show that f is invertible with inverse f inverse y equal to this, where r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers, means all positive numbers. R plus means 0 to infinity. With infinity always write small bracket, with 0 big bracket. 4 1 1. For every x1 comma x2 belong to domain. Domain of this function is r plus. Let fx1 equal to fx2 implies, tell me value of fx1. Fx equal to this, so fx1 equal to x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. 4 and 4 cancel. x1 square equal to x2 square, and both x1 x2 are positive real numbers. So next step we can write directly x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Now for 1 2. For every x belong to r plus, x square is always greater than equal to 4. Sorry, x square is greater than equal to 0. Then x square plus 4 is greater than equal to 4. From x square plus 4 equal to fx, it means fx is greater than equal to 4. fx is greater than equal to 4 means range f is equal to 4 to infinity. With 4 always write big bracket because equal to sign, with infinity small bracket, is equal to codomain. Therefore f is onto. F is 1 1, f is onto. Therefore f is an invertible function. F is invertible function, therefore by definition image of x under f equal to y implies pre-image of y is equal to x. Give equation number 1. Or here write let fx equal to y, then f inverse y equal to x. अब since fx equal to y, fx means x square plus 4, so x square plus 4 equal to y implies x square equal to y minus 4. So x equal to, take only positive sign because x is positive real number, x belong to r plus, so take only plus sign, belong to r plus. Give equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, f inverse y is equal to root y minus 4 and y belong to 4 to infinity. We can also write same function, replace y by x So root x minus 4 and x belong to 4 to infinity. Codomain is same, only we can change the name. In place of y we can also write x. Next problem. If f is a function from R to this defined by fx equal to this is invertible, find f inverse. Since f is invertible function, therefore let image of x under f equal to y implies pre-image of y is equal to x. ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Since fx equal to y implies substitute value of fx e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 1 equal to y. Next step, e to the power minus x, taking LCM, so e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus e to the power x plus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x equal to y. E to the power minus x and e to the power minus x cancel. Next steps, e to the power x plus e to the power x, 2 times e to the power x upon e to the power x plus, in place of e to the power minus x we can write 1 upon e to the power x is equal to y. Next step, taking LCM, e to the power x into e to the power x, e to the power 2x plus 1 or e to the power x into this, 2 times e to the power 2x is equal to y. Cross multiply, 2 times e to the power 2x is equal to y into e to the power 2x plus e to the power 2x. Y into y into this and y. E to the power 2x common, so we get 2 minus y is equal to y. So e to the power 2x is equal to y upon 2 minus y. This is exponent converted to log. So base of log and base of exponent are same. So next step we can write 2x is equal to log y upon 2 minus y base e. So x is equal to 1 upon 2 log y upon 2 minus y. Therefore f inverse y is equal to 1 by 2 log y upon 2 minus y. Hence proved.